Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Brad here. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Before I begin, I want to apologize. I know that last video I said that I was going to be uploading more often and I just kind of completely ghosted you guys. But before you judge, I have some very good excuses as to why I did that. I just want to make this video to kind of tell you guys what's going on in my life, some stuff that I'm going to be coming out with that I think that you are going to be very satisfied with. And before I do that, I wanted to make a video to kind of explain what's going on. That way you're not kind of blindsided. Starting with the name of this channel. So when I first started uploading YouTube videos of me doing headlight restoration, I didn't really put any thought into the name. I just kind of threw some stuff up there, some videos of me doing the restorations, thinking if people like the oddly satisfying genre, they might enjoy the videos. Someone like me, I love doing restoration. I love doing that method to where it's completely oxidized to crystal clear in a matter of minutes, and I will forever absolutely love that process. But I uploaded videos thinking people might like that. Maybe other people in the same business might comment and kind of engage a little bit with me. One thing that's always bothered me with this channel is that it's never had a brand or identity. And what I mean by that is if somebody were to say, hey, where'd you learn that from? Or how'd you get into the headlight restoration business? They would say, oh, I learned it from Start Restoring Headlights. So it doesn't really have like a brand or identity. And that's bothered me for a very long time. So we're going to be having a bittersweet farewell to the Start Restoring Headlights brand and welcome the new name of the channel, Headlight Restoration Academy. For those of you who don't know, I've been working on a course for a very long time and it's finally coming out. So the reason why it's taken me so long to put this course out is because I wanted to make sure that I was truly qualified to teach you how to start, run, and grow your own headlight restoration business. Because headlight restoration, or doing it as a business, is two parts. One, the restoration process itself, and two, which is the hardest part, is the business itself. Doing things like marketing, advertising, managing your customers, it's all very difficult. Running a headlight restoration business successfully is very difficult because you are an entrepreneur. You can ask any entrepreneur, 9 times out of 10, they're going to say that it is very difficult. There are many things that you have to consider when it comes to scaling, getting customers, and everything in between. And I wanted to make sure that I was able to convey that in my course. That way, whenever you venture off into your own headlight restoration business, you will be well prepared and you will have kind of an expectation. I will say in business, you can expect the unexpected. Some things are going to go crazy and you're going to learn a lot. So I wanted to prepare you as much as I possibly could whenever you are taking steps toward that venture. So let's talk about what the course comes with. For starters, I structured the course in 10 different modules, each covering a different subject. The reason I did that is because I know that when it comes to learning a subject, you are going to forget some things and sometimes you might need to brush up. So I segmented everything separately so that if you need to go back and kind of re-up on something or kind of study something, a specific topic, you are able to do that very easily. Secondly, the course is made of videos. I didn't use PDF files or anything like that. It's not a sheet or nothing. They are one-on-one videos where I am explaining everything about said subject. So you can get a very thorough understanding and I could better explain who, what, where, and why you are doing certain things in the business. Second thing that the course comes with is a permanent discount on next-gen clear coat and the sandpaper. I know how expensive it is to run the business, especially when it comes to supplies. So I wanted to make sure that you guys kind of have that savings and increase your profit margin. So you are getting 25% off of all of that lifetime from nextgenheadlightsolutions.com. So right out of the gate, after you get the course, you're automatically saving money. All right, and the third thing you're going to get with the course is a warranty job tracker. This is extremely vital to your business. Knowing where your customers come from so that you can nurture the next marketing campaign is vital for your business to grow. That being said, I do have the warranty job tracker that I use to keep track of every customer I've ever done, where they came from, how they paid, how much they paid, and so on and so forth. The way that the warranty job tracker works is you can keep track of everything by a month-to-month basis. And it also tallies up how much you've made per month, what your top avenue that a customer found you, and a bunch of other cool features that can really help your business stay organized and keep track of all your warranties and your customers. Fourth thing you are going to get as a Headlight Restoration Academy student, you are going to get lifetime access to the private community. So I have many different channels within the community segmented for different topics, whether it be Facebook ads, Google ads, your Google business profile, different methods or techniques that you're using for headlight restoration. This is very vital for your business because I will be in there helping you, kind of guiding you on your headlight restoration journey. And there will also be other students in there. So we can always bounce ideas off of each other, say, hey, this marketing strategy worked, or I wasted money with this strategy. And really become kind of a tight-knit community for headlight restoration. All right, and the final thing you are going to get is lifetime access to the year, make, model difficulty guide. Now, this is something that I've been developing for a very long time. Basically how it works is you will access the year, make, model guide, you'll enter in the vehicle year, make, model, and it will spit out everything about that vehicle. It'll tell you the usual starting grit, the estimated time, how hard it is, and it'll also let you know any notes from me. For example, if there's a vehicle that is known to have internal haze or micro cracking or something like that, my notes will be right there on the bottom to prepare you for the restoration. Now, this is vital because it gives you a peek into the future. If you have a customer reach out and say, hey, I wanted to get an estimate on a 2015 F-150, you can go to the year, make, model guide, enter in the information, and it will output all the information on that vehicle. So this can help you with your schedule because there's estimated times. It can help you with difficulty if you want to change up your quotes a little bit, basing it off that. And the reason why I say it's live service is because it's not just a downloadable Excel spreadsheet. It's something that is being updated to this day. We'll be able to update new vehicles that are coming out that we've done restorations on. And one thing I did want to highlight is it wasn't built on doing a single vehicle. These are vehicles that I've done multiple times, not just me, but also my team. The same year, make, model multiple times. For example, if you were to go out and do a headlight restoration job on a 2020 F-150 and that customer happened to have a driving habit where they were constantly parked in the sun, and you went out and did the restoration and it was extremely easy, just 600, and then you applied the clear coat. Whereas another 3 different customers with the same year, make, model, you went out and did their restorations and it hadn't had clear coat, it had chips and scratches and everything, it was very difficult. We would deem it as a difficult vehicle, not an easy vehicle based on that first one. So it's built on doing the same make, model, year vehicle multiple times. So I'm so proud of this, guys, because I've been working on it for so long and I know how useful it's going to be. It's also going to put your mind at ease because say that you are getting your very first customer and you're a little nervous, you don't know what to expect. You can go to the year, make, model guide, enter the information in, and see what you're going to be up against. So again, this is as close as possible as me being with you going out to do the restorations. Because as I said, my objective is to help you as much as I possibly can when it comes to doing this venture. And if I could kind of give you my knowledge on all these different makes and models, then so be it. So for the Headlight Restoration Academy course, it is a one-time charge. There's no reoccurring charges. It's not a monthly subscription or anything like that. You just pay a one-time fee and you will get unlimited access. Also with the community, I will be in there personally, so we'll be able to do some live streams. I plan on doing that as often as I possibly can. And I do want to be able to kind of do individual audits for people who are having some trouble getting customers and kind of get their business growing. And we can do it as a group. Nothing to where we're going to blast anybody, but I can share my screen and kind of we can talk about, hey, let's improve the website, let's improve the Google business profile, and so on and so forth. Because I know that if we can learn collectively, then we can all kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone. And I know if one person is asking a question, if they're curious about something, odds are a lot of other people are too. So we could scale together when it comes to growing your headlight restoration business. So if you are curious on what you could potentially make doing headlight restoration, you can visit headlightrestorationacademy.com. On the homepage, we've built out a yearly revenue generator, or kind of an idea of how many jobs it would take to make X amount. And you can also toggle if you are doing it on the weekends only, because I know if you're like me, I was working a 9 to 5 Monday through Friday and I was doing restorations on the weekend only. So you are able to toggle that and kind of see how many vehicles you need to do on the weekends only to make X amount a month. So I'm very excited to offer that to you in case you're curious on what you can potentially make. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you are interested in a career change, or you're looking to start your own headlight restoration business, or just make some side income, visit the headlightrestorationacademy.com and also join the community where we'll be talking about various different things of the headlight restoration business. We'll be going over audits, going over different tactics for headlight restoration, kind of what's new going on in the business, and everything in between. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.